And in the wake of the school shooting in Florida and tragic incidents across the region, there's a strong push by Maryland lawmakers to take guns away from potentially violent people. The bill would allow family members and police to go in front of a judge to plead their case. WJZ is live in Annapolis. Rick Ritter on the Lethal Violence Protective Order. Rick.
Well, Vic, lawmakers say we need a sense of urgency with this, the opportunity to take guns away with clear and convincing evidence from those who pose a threat. The fight is on in Annapolis, a push to remove guns from potentially violent people before they can shatter the lives of others.
This is common sense. I am relieved that we are now at this point.
Thursday's hearing was centered around the Lethal Violence Protective Order. If passed, it would allow a family member of law enforcement to go in front of a judge with clear and convincing evidence on why someone shouldn't be in possession of a weapon. An order could then be issued to remove that firearm for up to 1 year.
A judge can make a decision on the level of threat and whether or not it's time to ask for relinquishment of the guns.
An order that would seize the firearms immediately and temporarily and prevent that individual from buying another.
Within 2 hours of this legislation, it goes into a database. A person can no longer purchase guns. In addition to that, it means that we can now take the gun and require them to come to court.
The red flag law is in the spotlight following the deadly school shooting in Florida and after Corporal Mujahid Ramzadin of Prince George's County Police was gunned down while intervening in a domestic violence situation. Police had said that suspect, Glenn Tyndall, should not have had a firearm.
There are a number of neighbors in that neighborhood who came out after Corporal Ramzadin was murdered who said, we knew this guy was violent, we knew there was an issue in this home, and it would have been wonderful to be able to have a neighbor have the ability to go to the court.
The idea has drawn backlash from gun rights activists who claim it could take firearms away unfairly. But Governor Larry Hogan says the time to act is now.
I've never seen this much focus and attention. I feel as if maybe we've reached a point where people are finally ready to get something done.
Vic, the removal of the firearm would be temporary so they can have further proceedings. Dozens of other states are considering orders just like this. Live in Annapolis tonight, I'm Rick Ritter for WJZ.